Friends, we are going to replace the MOSFET here. See, this is the MOSFET which will replace. Now, how to check the N channel? Black prop on drain and red prop on source. Okay, what it is showing me? It is showing me the good value. Okay, now it is okay. This MOSFET I will insert here. Now, see the solution part. I will put my DC supply in 1 volt. Okay, I will put one ground and second pin to the CLR area. Okay, CLR area like this. Now see the DC amps, the value is increases 2 ampere, it is taking 2 ampere. Okay, now what we will do, we will search the faulty components. We will search the in the entire whole board, we will search the faulty components for which the component which will get heated, that is the our faulty components. Now the process of repairing, what I will do, I will pause. Now I am going to inject here 1 volt. Let's see here the ampere, it is taking 1.92 ampere. Okay, now we will slightly increase the ampere up to 1.23 volt. The ampere must be around 20. Yes, now it is the good ampere 2.6. Now what we will do, we will search with our hands. We'll put in the motherboard like this and see where it is the heated parts. We'll search for heating area. See, okay, this portion is getting a bit heat. Okay, this portion it is getting heat. This is the CPU area. Here we are getting some heat. Okay, now exactly the component which is heated, let's see which is the component will get the heat. Okay, no, this is the heated area. Okay, here is no heat, no heat. In CPU area I am getting some heat. Okay, here let's see back side. I think this area, this area I am getting some heat. Okay, now what I will do, I will inject here some voltage.